I have a feeling na may inis talaga ako sa character mo.
Ano mo kayo nakuha yun? Is it from your dad?
No, he also doesn't know.
Parang gusto na bumagsak ng mata ko, parang gusto ko mag-take a nap.
Parang I wouldn't have a problem having to do that throughout my whole college time. And I'd actually enjoy it. And masakit sa mata.
Masakit sa mata. Actually, isa sa stress, di ba? Diba, minsan merong nagtatampo yung buhok. Hello mga ka-Gen Z! Si Generation Clara! Siyempre, medyo matagal-tagal na rin tayo na walang hair treatment. Parang ayaw nung hair ko ng masyadong complicated na hair treatments, di ba?
I really like painting and fashion.
Parang akala ko 16 lang siya. Yung gano'n. Parang, ready na ba ako? Alam mo pangalan mo? Gianna. Gen Z, si Generation Clara, to my Clarinets and sa mga gladiators, welcome to another episode of Glad to be with you! But this time with Gianna, my daughter, and today it's mom and daughter bonding. So tara, pasok tayo dito sa Create Salon. Kumusta ka na? Yes. Mag-hi ka naman sa vlog ko. Ayan si ate. Siyempre, si Marky, siya ang laging, nagtitrim ng hair ko, nagsistyle ng hair ko, and nagugupit din kay Akisha. At the same time, yung mga hair treatment. So, siyempre, medyo matagal-tagal na rin tayo walang hair treatment. And at the same time, gusto namin ni Gianna na mag-nails or ano lang naman, cleaning lang. Parang mani, pedi, and foot spa. Okay? So, parang treatment lang kasi di ba kakatrim lang naman natin. So, okay naman? Yes. Okay, let's go! As of now, ayan, nilagay na ni Marky itong hair treatment sa buhok natin. Ano yung nilagay mo, Marky?
Hairs pa ma'am for scalp treatment and for hair po para ma-refresh yung hair.
Tsaka parang sabi mo nga, ma-maintain niya yung pagka-shiny. Oo, and,
kasi dyan talaga hiyang hair mo kaysa mga ibang treatment.
Yes, oo. So, kasi hiyangan nga, parang ayaw nung hair ko ng masyadong complicated na hair treatments, di ba? Kasi kung sa iba, well, siguro kanya-kanyang hiyangan lang yan, And also, si Marty, ang talagang official hairstylist ko dito sa Create Salon because alam niya yung cut na bagay sa akin, yes, and siyempre, parang sabi niya, di ba, minsan merong nagtatampo yung buhok. Sabi parang gano'n. Pag hindi ka hiyang dun sa gumugupit sa'yo, o kaya humahawak ng hair mo, parang ang nagkaka-falling hair ka, o kaya matagal daw humaba. Di ba? So, well, hindi naman natin alam kung totoo nga yun, di ba, yung kasabihan na yun. Yan. Pero, siyempre, ang dun is, ayan, hiyang na kay Marky kasi ang bilis humaba ng hair ko. Diba? So, gaano kadalas dapat nagpapa-hair treatment?
Para sa mga itong treatment, ma'am, dapat every month. Para siyempre, kasi di ba lagi po kayo.
So, yun kahit every month naman?
Kasi ang hairs pa kasi mabilis ng mga 2 weeks. Wawash out na kailangan every month po tayo. Kasi sa part ng hair mo kasi, madalas po kayo nagpapaset ng hair or nagpapa-hairs. Kaya every month, punta lagi kayo dito para sa
Kasi kumbaga syempre sa work namin kadalasan may mga ini-spray hairspray or mousse ginagamitan di ba ng mga yung mga parang hair products. Yes, so para ma-refresh nga di ba yung hair. Kasi syempre nai-stress din ang ating mga buhok, di ba? At sabi nga syempre crowning glory natin yan kaya kailangan mas maging maingat tayo and dapat mas conscious na tayo, lalo na pag medyo nagpo-falling hair. Actually, isa sa, stress, di ba? So, ang kagandahan dito, since maraming branches ang Create Salon, di ba? Ito, merong malapit sa house namin. Meron din sa Quezon City, di ba? Or even sa iba't ibang branches, di ba? Ang dami, may Marikina, iba-iba. Yes, so kung anong malapit sa inyo, makita nyo, Create Salon, ayan. So ako naman, dito hiyang-hiyang ako. Even sila Gianna, even yung iba kong mga anak, ayan. At ang maganda dito, hindi lang syempre hair and makeup ang pwede dito, di ba? So, ano pa yung mga in-offer nyo?
Mga hair color, hair treatment, haircut, hair and makeup. Yun, mga
Tsaka syempre, meron
nails,
mga
yan, isa yan, sa mga nails. Polygel, extension.
Nag-ano rin kayo, hair extensions yan. So, dito na rin ako, totally foot spa, yan, mani-pedi, ganyan. At meron din branches na kung gusto lang massage, di ba? May nagmamassage din, ganyan. And, ayan, so mga gano'ng katagal kailangan ibabad muna sa hair?
30 minutes po, ma'am. After 30 minutes, rinse po natin, this blower na po.
Tapos yung Acacia naman, ano naman yung nilagay natin?
Same lang din po kayo, ma'am. Para ano lang,
Yes.
ma-refresh lang din yung pagka-bouncy ng hair, mapagka medyo frizzy, ma-refresh lang din yung scalp, yung hair.
So yung pagkabuhag ba ng buhok, isa rin sa pwedeng ma-treat kapag nilalagyan ng mga hair treatment?
Yes, ma'am. Depende po sa texture ng hair kung ano po dapat. Pero sa part kasi ng hair mo, syempre, kung saan ka nahiyang, doon na po tayo sa
Oo.
anong ginagamit na.
Parang old school yung hair ko. Alam mo, ang gusto lang niya hair spa, hot oil.
Yes,
Di ba?
hair spa, maganda.
Tapos, syempre, parang din sa
Pansin
scalp.
natin yung keratin mo yata, di ba? Parang
Yes,
di mo
keratin or Brazilian, medyo hindi tayo hiyang, Parang pansin ko sa akin, sa akin lang to. Parang ayaw nga niya kung medyo complicated, di ba? Yung ginagawang hair treatment. So, syempre, with this, inantay lang natin, pero pwede rin tayo mag-mani-pedi, di ba?
Siguro after na lang siguro. Para mas maganda na
Yes.
matagal.
Okay. So, Gianna, you're now in grade 11.
11.
So, after grade 11,
Grade 12.
ito run, di ba? Grade 12. So, gusto mo talaga yung, kunin talaga eventually is about fashion designing, right?
Yeah. Either fashion design.
Pero before, it wasn't really your interest, di ba? Pero alam
Yeah.
mo, siya talaga yung, parang magaling talaga mag-drawing sa kanila magkakapatid. Di ba? I remember na whenever I see your drawings or yung mga projects mo sa art, di ba? I always compliment it. Kasi natutuwa ako dahil parang ang layo kasi sa akin dahil ako hindi talaga ako marunong mag-draw eh.
Yeah.
Sa akin, more of yung tao stick lang, di ba? So, ikaw, you think, sa kanino mo kaya nakuha yun? Is it from your dad?
No, he also doesn't know.
Really?
Yeah.
So, you think kila Tangtang?
Oh, I don't
Ako
know.
talaga nagugulat din ako. Sabi ko, wow, ang galing mag-drawing ni Acacia. Saan kaya nakuha yung kanyang talent niya ngayon? Or, minsan kasi, na-imagine niya, like, a portrait, right? Ano yung mga gusto mong subject whenever you draw?
Art.
No, I mean, is it
Oh,
portrait?
no, I hate doing portraits. That takes forever. Mga scenery and like mixed media.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, yung course mo ngayon, is it, what do you call that? Specializes on what?
It specializes on graphic designing, photography, and just arts in general.
Mm-hmm. Because I know you hate numbers, right?
Yeah. That's why I didn't stay in...
Ano yun common denominator nilang magkakapatid yun na they don't like math. Actually, yun palagay ko namana nila sa akin kasi hindi rin ako masyado sa math. I'm more of, parang mas gusto ko yung mga subjects na, of course, English o kaya Filipino, ganyan. Or gusto ko yung memorization, like history, yan. Diba? And I think you like that also, yung ibang subjects mo like social studies.
Yeah, history is fine. But like, other than that, I don't like math.
Mm-hmm. Pero eventually, parang si Tisha lagi niya sinasabi sa akin na she really wants to study abroad. Diba? Particularly in Japan, right?
Yeah.
Bakit? Why in Japan? Ba't Japan ang naisip mo?
I checked out their education there and it was pretty good naman. And it was like everything I was looking for is there. But also in Australia,
Kasi yung
So-
mga in-laws ko naman, in-laws namin, of course yung mother-in-law ko, father-in-law, and yung mga siblings ni Christopher na iba, nandun naman sa Australia. At syempre, hindi namin pwedeng pabayaan whenever we go out of the country or kahit out of town, kahit magbabakasyon kami and all, yung syempre yung church service namin. So you were able to visit our locals there, right? Yung church natin sa Kyoto. Is it in Ishida?
I think so, yeah.
So Ishida, Kyoto, and then there's one in Tokyo, no? So actually 3 yung days na nag-attend si Keisha doon ng church service. And of course, Harvey Ortega, thank you kasi sila yung nag-assist going to the church. And of course, to our mga fellow INC members doon sa Japan because inassist nila si Keisha when she was there. This is one of our favorite bondings ni Keisha, itong foot spa. Ako, personally, favorite ko to pag nagpupunta ako dito sa Create Salon. Dahil mas kaka-relax, syempre, lalo na kapag minamassage na yung paa, yung legs. Lagi ako naka-heels, naka-stilettos. So, hindi maiwasan na strain, syempre, yung aking muscle sa legs. Pero, sanay na ako. Alam mo, mas, pa ako parang mas nagagapa pa ako or mas hindi pa ako comfy pagka yung flats yung suot ko. Yung feeling ko na nakakapanang pa ako yung ground, So,
Pwede po pa-oval.
parang ako mas hiyang pa ako na
Pa-oval po yung cut.
Ano yun,
Cut.
Yan, si Keisha, start yung kanyang manicure. So, mamani muna siya and then, syempre, lalagyan ng polish. Ako naman, I don't like yung nilalagyan ng polish pa yung hands ko at yung aking nails sa kamay kasi nga, hindi ko rin, ang hirap i-maintain. Diba? Lalo na, parang nasisira lang siya. So, gusto ko cleaning lang siya, ganyan. Pero more on, sa toenails ako nagpapalagay ng polish. Usually. So, let's see kung ano bang, parang wala ako masyadong, ayoko kasi ng colorful, bias lang ako sa mga beige, o yan, na polish. Pero si Keisha, iba magkaiba kami ng taste pagdating sa polish. Siya naman gusto niya colored. Ito na. Nag-greens na tayo ng hair. After almost 30 minutes na nakababad yung hair treatment, particularly hair spa and I think hot oil lang. No? So, very simple hair treatments. Hair and scalp treatment. Yan. So, napansin ko after that treatment, parang mas gumaan yung buhok ko. And, parang mas smooth na siya. So, importante talaga na at least once in a while nakakapagpa-hair treatment. Dahil sa pakiramdam mo rin parang gagaan yung pakiramdam mo. Para bang nadi-distress ka rin at the same time. Pag medyo namamassage yung hair mo, yan. Oh, diba? I feel so light. Yan. Iba talaga yung na hair treatment. Look at that, di ba? Oh, mas madali siyang i-manage. Parang ang gaan ng ulo ko. Parang ang daming nabawas na stress. Yes, the stress. Doon sa ulo ko, after the treatment, after ng konting massage sa head, and syempre, di ba, importante na once in a while, ayan, talagang scalp and hair treatment yung ating ginagawa. Ayan. Pwede na ulit. Pwede na ulit lagyan ng hair products. Hindi naman, wag muna Mama Ray. Enjoy ko muna yung ganito na very diba? Ay, paano? Oh. Parang. Ay. Parang. Oh, diba? Parang, ay. Ay, sabi. Sabi. Hindi na. Pumunta na tayo sa Granary Cafe. O, diba? Very light na aming pakiramdam. What about you? You like your hair? Ay! Oh, mas mahabang hair niya sa akin. But I like it. Siyempre, only here in Create Salon. So, are you ready to go to the Granary Lounge Cafe? Siyempre, medyo nagutom kami. Kailangan na medyo mag-snack, diba? At excited na ako matikman yung coffee nila and their pastries. Let's go? Okay, let's go. Oh, ano, yung bag mo, nakalimutan mo. Guys, thank you. Bye, Marky. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Thank you, thank you. See you again. Let's go. Gianna! O Gia, yan, my daughter. Ano ba yung mga, kailangang malaman ng mga mommies from Gen Zs and from Generation Alpha nowadays? So, ano ba yung mga, the usual bonding that you really enjoy?
Well, to be honest, I enjoy any type of bonding. Basta like, makasama ka and...
Oh!
and like, complex.
Really? Keisha? You're so sweet. Hindi. Pero that's true. What about our movie nights? Diba? Pagka yung... Kasi we have this sa house, so we call it movie night, wherein we schedule a particular day or night, ganyan, na we'll watch a movie and then they will order whatever they want to eat for dinner, ganyan. Tapos syempre, along with Gavin, yung youngest sibling niya. Of course, minsan kasama si Kuya Christoph, si Grant, di ba? So, do you also enjoy that?
Yeah, but then I mostly enjoy yung dates natin where we either go shopping or we just eat out like tayong dalawa.
Ah, okay. Kasi sometimes talaga, alam mo, parang na-realize ko din na most especially, if you have not only one kid, di ba? So, alam ba, kung marami ka ring anak, ganyan, parang, I think, maganda rin talaga na meron bonding time with each one of them, no? With each of them. Kasi, parang merong talagang, alimbawa, Gianna's Day, ganyan. Or Gavin's Day, di ba? Or Christoph's Day, ayan, kasama ko sila. Parang isa-isa mo silang ibabonding to get to know them better. Most especially because si Gianna po is my unika iha or my one only daughter. Kasi nga puro boys na sila, di ba? So, Gianna, alam niyo ba, ang mga bata ngayon mahilig din sila sa mga thrift shop, di ba?
Yeah, okay.
So, what do you like about that? So, mas okay sa inyo yun kasi yung mga parang sa mall, ganyan.
For me, I think the reason why I prefer going thrift shopping is because not only it helps with like the environment, but it also helps with saving your money and the quality is still good.
Teka, why do you say the environment?
Because they're technically recycled clothing. It's better to buy recycled clothing than just buy something really overpriced where you can find that same type of clothing in the thrift store.
Wise. Yung generation ngayon alam na nila yun Kumbaga, syempre, dati, di ba, nung mga ganyang age tayo, basta may money, parang shopping lang, di ba, sa mall, gano'n. Basta may budget naman. Pero ngayon, parang mas iniisip nila yung practicality, ano? And imagine, naisip pa niya to save the environment, di ba? Alam mo, what I appreciate pa rin about Gianna, ano? Or, kasi, saan ako, Keisha talaga siya. Pero, to her friends, they call her Gianna, right? So, or Gia, ganyan. Pero ako talaga sinabi sa kanya, Keisha, kasi nga, syempre, pagka yung mga bata ngayon, alam mo, parang they're into ano talaga, no? Gadgets, gano'n. So, ano yung pwedeng alternative? Though, I know you also use gadget, right? Pero, you know your limit, no? That's what I like about you. Because you know when to, kumbaga, when to stop it, when to use it, di ba? Pero ano ba yung other alternatives that you can suggest to your, para mga fellow, teens mo, na para hindi sila masyadong focus lang into doing gadgets? What else can you suggest?
I suggest you guys should try and get into arts and crafts because I've been really into it lately, and that's also my strand for senior high. And not only it helps you not stay on your gadget, but it also helps you improve with other skills you can have.
Yeah, oo, I agree. Alam niyo po, yun ang hanga ako sa batang to kasi ako walang ka-art-art sa katawan dahil yung dati sa practical arts namin, yung pag dumodrawing ako ng tao, yung stickman, hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin ako mag-drawing ng tao. Pero si Keisha, actually, strength niya yun even portrait, right?
Yeah.
Portrait, or ano ba yung specialty mo, anak, sa arts?
I really like painting.
Yun nga, tapos alam niya yung, dahil nakita mo, halimbawa, di ba, sabi mo kay Grant, dapat there has to be textures, ano sabi mo? Yung parang ganyan, so pagka
Yeah, because his painting looked flat. Parang wala man lang texture. So I gave him tips on like, oh, you should add shadows, you should add more textures. And
oh, that's good to know, no? At saka, kasi eventually, she's planning to take up fashion designing. Tama?
yeah.
So aside from kasi you like to dress up, what else, bakit yun ang napili mo, anak, na tingin mo gusto mo talagang i-take up?
I picked it because since I'm really interested in it, then I wouldn't have a problem having to do that throughout my whole college time. And I'd actually enjoy it than do something that I'm forced to do or to take up for college. So at least I know that I'll have fun with this course.
Kasi nga, talagang na-enjoy mo.
Yeah.
And also designing, clothes, ganon?
Yeah.
Diba, is it different from painting, yung pagde-design ng clothes?
Yes and no. It's different because, painting is on something else and it's not with like clothing and fabric. So with clothing, it's actually harder because you have to, if you want to add textures, you have to sew it, and like...
So parang yun yung mga shadow, yun.
Yeah.
Yung pagka you have to add something, you have to sew it. Yun yung magsisilbing parang shadow or texture sa painting. This one is, okay, mag-react siya dito sa Muling Buksan ng Puso. Okay? This, wait, I did this movie when I was, before, this movie is one of the most memorable movies that I've made because this one is with the star for all seasons, Miss Vilma Santos, my very first full-length movie with Ate V. And I think also ito yung parang isa sa acting piece and parang dito kaya yata nag-start yung pagiging medyo kontrabida ko. So I wanted to get your reaction upon watching this movie of mine, okay? So this one.
Let me go! Let me go! Hindi naman kita kilala eh!
You look grabe.
Sandra, kung mami mo, susumbog kita kay Daddy. Bakit di siya pinapasok dito? Galit sa'yo ang Daddy. Sandra, please don't go. Mahal kita. Ako, mami mo. Hindi ikaw! Patay na ang mami ko! Ate? Mami!
Okay. So, what did you think of that movie? Yun yung Muling Buksan ng Puso. So, any violent reaction from that?
I can
Thank you.
definitely see where Gavin gets his...
Gavin, yung bunso ko pong anak yun, What do you mean? Ano ko si Gavin? Kamukha ko?
Not really, but how you act is the same with Yes.
How he acts in real life. Ako para daw ako yung bunso ko kasi I was only, I think, pero there I was 9 years old when I did the Muling Buksan ng Puso. Ang sarap ng juice nila. Ito yung kanilang mango hibiscus, yes. And ito naman, with the next movie. Ay.
Bakit kasi na pala mami ko? Sino ka ba? Hindi kami sasagot sa dati ko!
Tapang na bata. Alam mo kung anong ginagawa ko sa mga bata maingay? Binabali ko ang leeg.
Ayun naman po, parang I think older than yung unang ginawa kong movie. So siguro mga 10 years old ako, ganyan. Yung Afuang, Bounty Hunter. Action movie na anak ako ng action star. So, what did you think about that?
I don't know, it was funny.
Bakit? Ba't funny?
Because your reaction when he told you that, you know, binabali yung leg ng mga bata.
Dahil natakot?
Like, bigla ka na lang na gano'n.
Oo. Pero, imagine ikaw ba, would you want to enter eventually din in show business or into acting?
I have a feeling yes, but not in like acting on screen. I like theater more. Like musicals. Mga ganon.
Yeah, kasi po, naging Dorothy na siya sa Wizard of Oz, sa school nila. So, yun, actually, mas mahirap yun Daig niya ako kasi I haven't tried theater even before. At ang theater kasi, meron siyang kumakanta, di ba? So, syempre, you're singing and acting at the same time, di ba? So, ikaw, you feel more comfortable with that?
Yeah, I do.
Kaysa acting on TV and...
Yeah, because I have a feeling I enjoy it more than, you know, filming it. Pero yeah.
Okay. So, one of the iconic movies.
I like it because if I watched that also when it came out, you know, I have a feeling na may inis talaga ako sa character mo.
Okay.
And I think you executed it beautifully.
Wow! Executed it beautifully. Well, coming from my daughter, anong pangalan mo? Gianna. So, just kidding. Kasi sanay nga ako Keisha siya tinatawag, ano. So, coming from her, kasi minsan talaga inaasar nila ako di ba? Pagka yung napapanood silang, actually, they really don't watch my movies. Have you watched any of my movies?
Yes.
Recently? Which one? The Breadwinner. Yeah, oo nga pala. Oo nga pala,
Here
syempre.
Comes the Groove.
Oo nga pala, oo.
And
Apag.
Apag.
You watch it?
I was with you in the premiere.
Ano ba siya? Diyos ko, alam mo, nakakalimutin na po talaga ako kasi gano'n talaga, 4 kasi yung anak ko. Ang dami ko ng anesthesia. But I'm glad, di ba? Dati kasi parang nakukornihan sila. Pero ngayon nga, at least, di ba, pinapanood na nila yung mga movies ko. And actually, si Grant ba yun? Parang medyo natiri-eyed pa siya sa Breadwinner, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, so, what did you think of that movie? Yung pinaka-recent movie ko na Breadwinner.
I like that movie a lot. I have a feeling it's probably the second best movie I've watched of like 2024.
Wow!
First is Wicked.
Ka-level namin weekend.
And then second is like Breadwinner.
Oh, wow, di ba? Love your own, si Gianna. Pero di ba, alam mo, masarap sa pakiramdam yun, na-appreciate din syempre ng mga anak natin, di ba? Pero ito, anak, tell me, to be honest, kasi, di ba, yung mga mommies, di ba, like us, talaga may tendency po tayo na magpaulit-ulit, di ba, sa mga anak natin, kapag minsan pinagsasabihan natin sila. Pero does it annoy you when you hear us, ay, naku, alam mo, yung panahon namin, nung kami noon, ganyan. So, does it annoy you guys, yung ganun mga statements ng mga mommies?
Not really annoy, but like in my head, I'm like, oh, but this is a different time from your generation. So like, yeah, but then like, I'm not annoyed. So, yeah.
Parang more of, sinasabi mo lang na, Oh, probably during your time, it was
Different.
it was easier to do that kasi nga, it was different. Oo. Unlike today, you know? And for you naman, Keisha, is there anything that, kumbaga, ikaw, what do you really want to achieve eventually? Kasi in a few years, in a year or two, di ba, you'll be graduating, yes,
I
from
hope to
high
pass
school.
UP.
Well, yeah, oo. Oh, magandang ano yan, di ba, goal yan. Siyempre, just like, of course, your kuya, di ba? And importante kasi that, what keeps you inspired aside from, siyempre, family?
My friends, they're very supportive of me. And I like to thank YouTube.
Bakit?
Because if I'm having a hard time with math, YouTube is always
O, di ba? During your time, tong time na to, ay maganda nga kasi ang dami yun ng sources, di ba? Hindi katulad namin nun. Kung hindi ka mayaman, wala kang encyclopedia. Kailangan namin kumpletuhin yung encyclopedia from letter A to Z para lamang makapag-research o kaya pupunta kami sa National Library o sa mga libraries para talaga mag-research. But now, it's just a click away. Di ba? Nandiyan ang Google, nandiyan ang daming mga sources. Oh, edi maganda naman yun. Maganda naman yung mga kids, as early as now, dapat meron na kayong goals of what you want to achieve eventually. Tapos siguro sa courses ninyo, kung doon na papunta yun, di ba? Yung kung doon na ba papunta, yung gusto ninyong marating, edi importante kasi na, well, not just helping yourselves, di ba? Pero if you need help, ask help, di ba? So in your case, aside from asking help from YouTube, pero ako pwede siya mag-ask na help sa akin, basta Filipino o kaya ibang subject, wag lang math. So who do you ask help if you need help?
my friends, because especially my classmates for school works and stuff. Like if I don't get something, then I can ask them if I need help with anything. God.
Of course, so number one, di ba? Always
Yeah.
in our prayers. Di ba?
Ay, Gavin?
Pati si Gabin, no, sinama mo. Pero, yung mga generation, syempre, iba-iba naman yung mga favorites ninyo, no? Pero ikaw, who do you really admire, well, sa celebrities natin or actors? Here and
There's this new singer that I really adore, and her name is Chapel Roan.
Oh, Chapel Roan.
Because she's been in the music industry for years, and ngayon lang siya recently nag-blow up. But then, now she's using her fame to spread more like positivity and like motivation for people and to not give up on their dreams.
Oh, okay. What's your favorite Olivia Rodrigo song?
So American.
Ano yun? Expect ko naman sasabihin mo. Yung mga happier, yung mga...
It's her only love song ever.
Kasi ako favorite ko kay Olivia Rodrigo yung ano niya eh. Siyempre, mga Deja Vu, di ba? Yung mga happier. At driver's license, di ba? Pero yun ba yung mga unang songs pa niya?
Yeah. Those were her first ever songs on her first album.
Okay.
Glad to shout out sa ating mga subscribers and viewers. Thank you, Aubrey Miel, Frank De Jesus, also to Baby Thirst. Hello din kay Daisy Ann, Joshua Davadaw, and to Voice of Reason. Thank you, Aris Fernand Campos. Helen Endozo from Israel. Watching din from Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, si Marky Coilan. Watching from Dubai naman, si Miss 1591. Hello from KSA. Sa lokal ng Liliw, Laguna, si Karam Lee. Yesi Yeli Salupina. And shout out daw sa kanyang mga anak na si Daryl and Nash from Kuwait. Sel Karstasyan. Shout out din from Dubai kay Marie Ann Escalante. Hello to Miriam Molino from Calgary, Canada. Rina Rose Sebastian, maraming salamat din. Hi to Maria Nancy Ladimo. Rafael Rivamonte, watching from Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. Happy birthday naman to Robel Ann Dawagan from Arlene Dawagan from Macau. Hello din po kay Blue Wolf. At sa aking kabalen na si N. Gracia de la Merced. From San Francisco, California, hello to Olivia Asuncion. Marilyn Paller. Noemi Fajardo. Shout out from Indang, Cavite, from Edeline Noceda. Maraming salamat din po. From Florida, USA to May Cannon. Tony Mon Salud Jr. Watching naman po siya from Singapore. Watching from Ireland, may Abe Cabalen, MTV Torno. Abby Manosa from Cyprus. Nako, pinanood doon niya ang ating episodes from 1 hanggang sa ating huling episode. General 2476. Isa sa ating new subscribers, si Oliver Dantoyano. Julia Ariola from Toronto, Canada. Shout out din po sa mga taga Lucena City kay Maria Melanie Miranda. Isa naman daw sa ating silent viewer. From Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, Vin Lenueva. Salamat kay K to Your Heart. And Annalyn Galvez from Taiwan. Salamat din from Taiwan kay Marlex Caro Pormelos. To Ali Len Chico. And hi din po kay Tiara Bernales. Wajid Maginona, our new subscriber from Davao City. Andy Guzman, watching from Singapore. Maritoni Rojas, maraming salamat po. Shoutout din kay Herayun. Ronding Microbio, maraming salamat. At kay Nela Canlas. Daisy Lynn Alonzo. Terrell C19. At kay Rashif Daxla. Dangerous 08 Full. Lovely-ish 8028. Jeric Gallardo. Win Cruz. Watching from Samar, si George Del Santos. Chuvalicious. From Toronto, Canada, Marcy Navarro. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na sumusubaybay sa aming vlog na Glad to be with you. And I'm glad to shout out all of you sa ating pong next episode. Just don't forget to subscribe, like, share, click the notification bell at mag-leave na rin po na inyong comments. Thank you so much, Keisha, for this date today.
Thank you.
Yes, and welcome to my vlog and please subscribe. Kung ikaw pa hindi nakasubscribe, pinapasubscribe ko nga sila. Mami, ikaw pa hindi. Tina ko nga yung cellphone mo kung nakasubscribe ka sa...
Guys, go follow me.
Oh, ano follow me? Saan? Follow me sa house.
Follow me on Instagram, guys.
No?
Down below.
Saan? Oy, sabi mo, yung follow me first.
Go follow my mom first. I am Gladys Reyes _ I think.
Baka sa iba pa mapunta. Hindi, my Instagram. My Instagram, I am Gladys Reyes. Hindi, of course. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And click the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo syempre agad-agad sa aming mga next vlogs. Thank you so much, The Granary Lounge Cafe. Ayan, dito ang sarap ng kanilang mga drinks, cold drinks, mapahat and cold drinks sila. Pati yung kanilang mga pastries, cakes. Thank you so much. And as you all again next week sa ating next vlog. Glad to be with you, Gianna.
Follow me.
Outside.